Here we are at Rocky Bottom Creek at our waterfall on Up Yonder Road. It is the last day of November, year 2022. It's about 50-something degrees outside. I want to climb down into that waterfall for you to give you a perspective on the size of that waterfall. So bear with me here as I climb down the steps, climb over the rock, and drop down into the creek. Alrighty, that should give you an idea the height of that waterfall. It's hard to guesstimate from here. I'm going to go with about 30 or 40 feet. You've got half a dozen or so cascading waterfalls pouring down into a smaller pool, and then as I mentioned to you earlier, that'll go down, if I can pull this around here, it'll drop right on down into the creek. There you go. And just some FYI things. Anyway, they were done.